Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy Mrungwa Junior, the best in his own league. But Mrungwa, you boss, yes, sir. As you saw by the title, as you saw by the thumbnail, today I'm gonna be printing Thando's face on my t-shirt. Not this one, because this one is a branded t-shirt, it's a Fuel Clothing brand t-shirt. This one is not a promo, guys. Ne? This video is not a promo. And Fuel, I sent in something, guys. Like, I'm going to run something before this promote. So, guys, the reason why I'm doing this video is I once linked up with Thando at Mall of Africa, right? Here's the picture. And, like, I got the attention that day, but I didn't get a chance because, like, I wanted a chance. And I decided to text her the following day on Instagram. She didn't reply. So, what did I do? I posted a video on TikTok. I think it was a TikTok challenge. Eh? Here it is. It got over 200k views. And like, she commented on the video and she liked the video. So, I still didn't get a chance. Okay. What did I do? I posted another video. Ne? I think it was 2 pictures. Here it is. It got over 90k viewers. Right? And she liked the video, but she didn't comment. So, this time, I'm gonna be printing her face on my t-shirt. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's hope she comments. Guys, please take it down, ne? Like, make sure, like, she sees this video. Like, guys, I hope she sees this video. Yeah. So, like, what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm gonna go to the mall and buy a new t-shirt, a plain t-shirt, and then I'm gonna go print it. I'll show you the whole process, guys. Yeah, make sure to watch till the end to see the picture. Subscribe to Mrungwa Boys. Without any further ado, let's get into my life. Hey, so guys, now I'm at the mall and I got the t-shirt. Here's the t-shirt. So like, let's pay for it and let's go print it. Yeah. Easy with the inside, it's a midday. Your problem is hair. No me goes, you're living a basic. You're girl, young boss, a big bag for me. Many men shooting 9 bullets to give me a cup. And you know, guys, I also had to treat myself with a chuv. Since it's Thando's favorite. Okay, so guys, right now, like, I'm done printing the t-shirt and I'm going to my grandma's place to show them the t-shirt. Let's see their reaction. Like, guys, I'm gonna wear the t-shirt when I get there. This is the only opportunity I found to talk to you all because I have to. It's part of the video. Yeah, guys, so make sure to subscribe and yeah, let's see their reaction. And oh yeah, we're also gonna go to my brother to see his reaction also. Guys, I have arrived at my grandma's place and this is the t-shirt right here. So let me change my outfit and show you the after. Yeah. This is the before. To check fuel. I'm a relaxation. Okay guys, since to really skip. I'm in a t-shirt right now. So I'll show you in 3, 2, 1. Amigos, you're living a basic, you're girl, young boss. Many men shooting 9 bullets to give me a cup. I'm in a don't cap with your cap. I'm in a cave. So guys, let's go show the fam and let's see their reaction. It's fine. The occasion, ngithengele ichuv. Guys, the occasion ngithengele ichuv because only real ones understand why I bought the chuv. You can't be wearing a Thando t-shirt and not holding a chuv. It doesn't make sense. So guys, Ntoizi, ngithenge enye ifoni and uyasibona skipper sawo. Senginentombi phela ngaphezulu. Uthini iskipper sawo? Uthini iskipper sawo?
Ngesaba mskippers.
Ngisawo.
Intombi yakho leso skipper.
Ngiyadla. Makoko. No, ngila ngibethi vlog vele ngiza la ngithi sinjani skipper sawo makoko. Ayaveli kuleka, eh? Sinjani skipper sawo makoko? Ngila. Ngizogcoka le skipper, sinjani le skipper makoko? Sihle ne? Hey guys, I found this brew ne. Let's see what he thinks about the t-shirt. Mauthi ngale skipper sawo. Mawuthini ngale skipper sam.
Yeah, anginandaba neskipa sakho mina. Ngibuyela lapha emuva ke sibone.
Sithini the skip? Sithini?
Singidodi lezi mfana. Senza
Ngosebona ithi. Hayi let's skip asho ukuthi vele. Ngifuna ukuthi yazi ngifuna inamba lomntana kahle kahle. Mina ngifuna inamba yakhe kahle kahle. Nangingathola inamba yakhe ngizoba right. So nawucabanga mama ngizoyithola inamba yakhe ngale skip. Sengisigcokile angibona vele ngisigcokile so.
Jana kojame. Ngiphazamise inhleka.
Inamba mara ngizoyithola ne.
Frontal.
Mara kufuneka inamba phela nje. Manje ngidinga inamba flat. Thando subscribe everyone subscribe to the video if you're watching this Thando please subscribe Ntwezi did a lot malini ngisipindwe la yo cabanga kaw unsubscribe in kaw like in kaw bele ba like kaw subscribe and join the pause zinja more content is coming.